Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is 8PM Gaming here with a Madden video. And guys, I'm not going to be actually playing Madden. I'm just going to be talking about Madden. I'm going to edit some screenshots into the video because the last few times I've been trying to do gaming videos with Clash Royale, Cats, Madden, I've been having trouble with when I'm trying to end the video. So I'm just going to talk about Madden. So guys, there's a new Madden season that came out a few days ago. There's some pretty awesome sets, and there's some pretty cool live events. 24/7 is my favorite probably for now. 24/7 basically, so it's kind of like scrimmage from last year, but you need to, if there's, like, say there's a Cardinals 24/7, you get like 35 to 80 tokens, Cardinals tokens, and once you have 1,000 Cardinals tokens, you get any Cardinals 24/7 player, which could be silver all the way up to gold. I'm getting kind of close to some of them. And then there's also Showdown for sets. And Showdown is basically also, you can get it from 24/7 live events. So you get 60 to 100 from an event, but you have to, it's the first win pack, so you can't just keep doing those to grind. And the master, so if you get 500 of those showdown points, then you get one elite showdown badge, and there's 80 showdown badges, and you can get the 88, and it's an 88 Raiders player, and yes, he is upgradable, and he gives player boosts. And guys, there's also tournaments, which is every weekend. So basically what you do is you collect tickets, and then once it's the weekend, you do head-to-heads. Every head-to-head is a ticket, but you have to make sure the head-to-head is under tournaments. And then basically, if you win that head-to-head match, it's just one drive, then you get one win. And every tier is every 4 wins. So your first win, your 4th win, your 8th win, your 12th win. And you can choose between 3 things. Like, for one win, I think it's like a coach, a gold player, or like 2,000 coins. I'm not exactly sure, but that's really good. And guys, the leagues is also pretty cool. The league players for the league achievements are pretty good. There's Ezekiel Elliott, which is probably the easiest to get. There's a Drew Brees, and I'm not sure what the other one is, but it's pretty good, guys. And that'll be it for the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more on the channel.